Yep, contact.
Watch the right side.
Roger that. There's no movement.
Ali, you're 12.
Yeah, I see them. I see them. Yeah, one's away. Yeah, there's a couple there, moved down the right as well. We're okay in that right flank. Where'd that guy go? He went down a fucking ditch. Where'd he go? Oh, there he's there. Sorry, Ali. Sorry, dude. Back! Fucking mid-cap. Yep. Mag! Got his covered, got his covered. Go. Keep on, guys, that's a good defence, keep us going.
We'll do next.
Yeah.
We'll get guys coming through here.
Yep.
One left and right.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, keep going.
Some guys come through the middle and the rest will split left and right.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll take you left, I'll take you left.
Guys, one of you keep an eye there, right?
That guy, oh, he's dead. That's what it is. Yo! Nothing, they've all moved back. Yeah, there's only a couple of medics out there just now. 3 or 4 moving on the right side now. Yeah. Right flank! Where's Jordan? Is Jordan dead? Fuck, man. Just lost our support gunner. Oh, Michael's just been hitting as well. He's got a support gun. Watch that left. Whoa! Mag! Oh, fucking running out big time here. 2 left. Yep. Fucking, the guy fucking crossfiring me here. Yeah, I see him. He's got a shot on me. Fucking BB's flying past me. Three moving down the middle. 2 in that ditch. You see them down low, yeah?
Oh, somebody right in front of you, right behind that tree in front of you.
Aye, they went down the ditch. Yeah, there's 2 of them there. See, if you look about 20 yards back away, there's somebody behind a thin tree as well, all black. Can you see him? Yeah, he keeps shooting me. I can't shoot round him there. Down! I'm down. Cover me! Come on. Oh, fucking gloves. Right. Got you back in.
Back in. Right.
I've got you right, yeah. Oh, fuck. That's fine.
There you go.
Yeehaw. Oh, yes, see him. Oh, I think you got him. Did you get him?
No.
Bastard. He flinched. I've got a mag and a half left. There's a guy in black just doing my, I can't get a shot on him. He's fucking got me pinned though. There's two moving round on the right.
One moving right back.
Yeah, it's two moving right. Yeah, you see them? That fucking guy in black, man, saved you. Did I get him? Nah. Let's go. Good kill, good kill. Right, my 12's clear, can't see anything coming down. Oh, that black guy's done, yeah, finally. That's sick. Try to get that fucker away from there. What is it?
I think there's people moving up behind them to try and medic them while that's going.
Right, okay. Keep an eye out.
I'm hearing people shooting each other out there.
Oh, hit. Fucker. Out! Good luck, guys. Ryan, you know where you're going, eh?
I think we need to send about 3 or 4 guys straight at them, and the other few.
Do you want to see if Michael and Gareth will go and do that? Gareth, do you want to take Michael and go and distract them? We'll go round.
Yeah, hold it.
Right, okay, move. Let's go. Stand out. Let's go. Right, there's a guy at the edge. He'll make us if we cross here. Go deeper. Go deeper. I see where Adam's gone. Go there. Good kill, guys. Let's push. Whoa, fucker. Hit! Take your time, take your time, take your time. Fucking legend. Tie it nice and tight. Thank you. Back out! Fucking pinned here. Moving. Back as well. Yeah! Nah, near can I? Having a wee bit of trouble, they're bogged right in. There's a guy in the far right somewhere, he got me.
I'm right behind you.
There's a guy up my... You can see him fucking shooting at me as well. Good kill, whoever that was, good shot! Right, moving. Yeah, yeah. Try and step up a tree if we can.
Wait, there's 3. Whoa! My hand, grab hand.
Gareth, send on ma. Got him, he's away. Right, I can't see him. That side low! Get that booty hat in to see him! I'm drawing his fire. Oh, he has to be. Ryan, you hit him yet? He's moved left. Gareth, you still getting contact in that left? Is he up the hill? Yeah, green hat. Take him, he's pinned me again. Fucking hell, man. Ryan, get up and fucking pin him. I'm going to run, okay? Mag change! That's not 25 minutes. Is that 25 minutes?
Fucking destroyed.
I was going to say, there's no way that's 25 minute, man. Fucking awesome, by the way.
Might not have got up there.
Brilliant. Well played, dude. Yeah, fucking. That was decent, man. Well done, guys. Well done, you finding that spot going up the back.
Here, you fucking get close to it at the end, see when you were ducked in there.
Well done, man. I think so. There's no way that's been 25 minutes. Were you timing it at all? No?
Oh man.
Played, mate. Yeah. Oh, awesome.
You kneeled in the orange.
Just fucking say the word. In fact, you got smoke on you?
Guys!
Move along! Just pull it off the top. Just pull it. Come on, use your strength.
I was going to say that's very A12ish, James, but
I'm going ugh.
I feel a lot on there, but ah, shit.
It says one.
One way of saying fuck
Fucking
you.
wood, guys.
Ryan! Where is he?
Adam.
Come here! He's running up with a smoke, go try and get it in. Oh, don't light it now.
no, I'm going to light it when I get up there.
Ah, I was going to say. Well, why is he holding it then?
He's gonna, as I run away, he's going to, I've only got one hand. So as I run away, he'll fill it.
But you said you were going to light it up there.
I just want to watch you.
Right, okay.
Go, 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 go!
Oh, shit! Where the fuck the...
Oh no.
That didn't drop in there, did it? That...
Yeah, it did die.
Fuck off, man.
No fucking way!
Where'd it go? But...
No fucking way!
Where the fuck did it go in the water? Did it go in the water?
Guys, go! Go, 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 go!
Oh, what you lost?
My drum, mate.
Yeah, that'll help.